Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make 5 different cookie flavors using just one cookie dough. And the flavors include red velvet, chocolate chip, double chocolate chip, lemon poppy seed, and spiced molasses. So without further ado, let's get started. In the bowl of your stand mixer or a large bowl if you're using a hand mixer, combine together softened butter, light brown sugar, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. We're going to beat this on medium to high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture turns creamy and everything is well incorporated. At this point, we're going to add in 3 large eggs one at a time, mixing well between each addition. This recipe does make a lot of cookies, so it is perfect for parties and picnics or to make as a gift for your friends and family. Once you've added in the eggs, we're going to add in the dry ingredients. First, you want to combine together all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt, and then we're going to add this into the wet ingredients in 3 batches, mixing well between each addition. Adding the flour in batches instead of all at once just makes it so much easier to mix and also makes way less of a mess. The link to the written recipe is available in the description box below with lots of tips and tricks as well. Once all of the dry ingredients are fully incorporated, you want to stop mixing. Do not overmix the cookie dough. Now take this off of your stand mixer and divide the dough into 5 separate bowls. For the chocolate chips, we're going to add in dark chocolate chunks and dark chocolate chips. You can also use milk chocolate. Give this a mix until it is only fully combined, and then you're going to go ahead and place this in the refrigerator while we make the remaining doughs. For double chocolate chip, we're going to add in cocoa powder, some chocolate chunks, chocolate chips, and some espresso powder. I am using dark chocolate chips and chunks. You can also use milk chocolate if you'd like. Give this a mix until it is fully combined. You really want to avoid over mixing, and then go ahead and chill the dough as well. For the next flavor, which is red velvet, we're going to add in some cocoa powder, red food coloring. You can also use gel food coloring, and white chocolate chunks and white chocolate chips. You can also use just one of either chocolate chunks and chocolate chips. We're going to give this a mix until it is fully combined and then chill the dough as well. For the lemon poppy seed, I'm going to grate the zest of 1 lemon. You want to make sure you don't grate into the white part, and some poppy seeds, and give that a mix. I also added very little amount of yellow food coloring, but this is optional. Once it's combined, you want to chill this dough as well. And lastly, for the spiced molasses, we're going to add in all of these spices. Do not add more than this or else it's going to be way too overpowering, and some molasses. Now give this a mix until it's fully combined, and you want to chill this for 30 minutes as well. You want to make sure to chill these doughs for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours, and then you're going to go ahead and scoop these onto lined baking trays, leaving at least 2 inches of space between each ball. You can also make these 1 to 2 days ahead. For the instructions on that, go ahead and check out the blog. And for the spiced molasses cookies, I also like to roll the cookie dough in some cinnamon sugar before baking. All you have to do is combine 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar with about a quarter or a half teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to go ahead and bake all of these at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, and once they're baked, you want to make sure to let them cool down completely. And here are the finished cookies. I added chocolate chips onto the chocolate chip and double chocolate chip cookies once they were finished baking, and drizzled the red velvet and lemon poppy seed with some melted white chocolate. These cookies are fudgy and soft on the inside while being slightly crispy on the outside. All of them have a delicious flavor. You really can't pick a favorite. These are perfect to give to your family and friends, and they are just amazing. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it or found it helpful, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.